All right, next trick is Stop and Go Eli Hop. Looks like that. If you don't already know Stop and Go, right? Really need to get that down. Really awesome trick. You can also do it from trapeze, right? Just pull it up. Now pull your arms apart like that. You can even regenerate it. Do it a whole bunch of times in a row if you want to. But the idea of trapeze stop and go is basically the same idea as the Eli hop off of stop and go. You're bringing your hands apart as opposed to straight down. Regular stop and go, right? Your hand here is going straight down. This way you're going just like a regular Eli hop, right? You can pop it out, catch back on the string. Catching it back on the string is really hard because unlike a regular Eli hop, the spin direction has changed. So when you throw it out there, the yo-yo tends to tip over pretty easily. So when you do stop and go Eli hop, right, it tends to want to lean over quite a bit. So you got to be really careful about that. You just want to make sure your hands go apart kind of straight, right? You don't want to put one at an angle in either direction. The yo-yo is going to flip over. Right, but a really fun trick. Justin Weber came up with this one, and all of his tricks are amazing, but also they tend to be really hard. So this is no exception. So stop and go Eli hop.